In this inspirational video, we talk with Julia Hawkins, an extraordinary woman who defies age, with her incredible spirit and zest for life at 107 years of age. Julia Hawkins, a retired teacher, began her running journey at the remarkable age of 100. Over the years, she has set numerous records in the 100-meter and 200-meter races. But what keeps her going strong at the age of 107? Julia said, "Age is just a number. It's how you live your life that truly matters." Julia is a living testament to the fact that age is not a barrier when it comes to leading a vibrant and active life. Julia maintains that a positive mindset, staying physically active, and embracing adventure are the keys to unlocking the fountain of youth. Every day, I go out for a run. Exercise keeps me young and my body in motion. In addition to Julia's daily jogs, she actively participates in marathons, proving that age is not a limitation but an opportunity to push boundaries. Strength training, yoga, and cycling have become my best friends. They keep me strong, flexible, and full of energy. Julia's dedication to a healthy lifestyle has kept her physically fit and provided her with numerous anti-aging benefits. A balanced diet is essential. I make sure to nourish my body with wholesome, nutritious meals packed with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Julia's love for fruits and vegetables is no secret. But did you know that a recent study by Professor Fans and his team at the University of Borgen in 2022 concluded that the optimal diet for a healthy and long life is centered around legumes, whole grains, nuts, vegetables, and fruits? This diet, supported by data from over 7,000 doctors and scientists worldwide, aligns perfectly with Julia's preferences. Julia's all-time favorite fruit is bananas. She regularly enjoys their natural sweetness. And when it comes to yogurt, she's a fan. Yogurt can be a great source of protein, calcium, vitamins, and live cultures or probiotics. However, Julia opts for natural yogurt without added sugar for her meals. Julia is a vegetable enthusiast with a special fondness for broccoli, spinach, and kale. These green powerhouses are rich in nutrients and help maintain her health and energy. Protein is essential, but Julia prefers to get hers from plant sources. She believes that plant-based proteins are easier to digest and better for the body. She enjoys beans and lentils and avoids red meat. Instead, Julia satisfies her protein needs with nuts and seeds. Her daily go-tos are almonds and walnuts, which provide healthy fats and keep her energized. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, and Julia knows this well. She drinks plenty of water throughout the day to keep her body functioning at its best. Water lubricates and cushions joints, and she prefers it over sugary drinks. Julia also mentioned that she avoids caffeine in her diet. Julia's kitchen is a haven of deliciousness, where she conjures up nutritious and delectable dishes. She's all about fresh ingredients and avoids processed foods like the plague. Sugars, sodium, and unhealthy fats have got nothing on her. It's a magical place where her culinary skills meet her passion for a healthy lifestyle. And here's a surprise, Julia knows that as we age, our muscles require more protein to stay strong and healthy. That's why she loves crab and oysters, which are jam-packed with protein. They are her secret protein powerhouses. And there you have it, the secrets to Julia Hawkins' incredible vitality and success. It's all about fresh ingredients, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts. Staying hydrated and embracing the power of plant-based proteins. Beyond physical fitness and proper nutrition, Julia also believes that social connections and an active social life are crucial to longevity. Laughter is the best medicine, and spending time with loved ones and friends keeps my soul young. Julia's love for adventure has played a vital role in her anti-aging journey. Julia is constantly engaging in new activities and hobbies, keeping her mind sharp and curiosity alive. It's never too late to try something new. Embracing new experiences keeps my spirit alive and vibrant. Julia Hawkins' positive mindset, active lifestyle, and attitude towards aging have inspired countless others on their own journeys of aging gracefully. Don't let age stop you from living life to the fullest. Learn from Julia Hawkins, whose secrets to aging gracefully and the remarkable anti-aging benefits she has experienced are an inspiration to us all. Remember, it's never too late to live your life to the fullest. Embrace adventure, stay active, and keep a positive mindset. Age will be no match for your unstoppable spirit.